made it to our first stop. So from this point on, it'll be about like 20 or 30 minutes off-roading till we get by the lake. It's a pretty cool spot. We go here a lot. So this is the perfect time to go as well. It's not too cold, not too hot. All right, catch back with you guys in a minute. All right, we made it to our camp spot. We're out here at Benelli Landing. There's so many helicopters flying around. I think there's a fifth one. Oh man, wonder what they're doing. But it's a good spot right here to camp. We're the only ones here. There's another helicopter. I'm out here just setting up. I don't really bring a lot of this stuff, but today I brought the ready lights. Since we're in a remote place, it'd be good having all these lights. This thing is pretty useful. Charge it via solar or plug it in. Before I start cooking our meal, I went ahead and cook rice first. Of course, I washed the rice. But look at this place, man. Oh, I feel so relaxed. My daughter's enjoying. My wife and son is over there in the tent. And I'm out here getting signal. Yo, this is probably one of the best investment ever. And having Starlink is really good. I also have a Zolio just in case we got a message. Starlink's not working and we just got a message our family just to let us know, let them know actually that we're okay. Got some steak, shrimp, corn over the fire. All this cooking going on. Got some Spam here. Kids love Spam. I do as well. Ready lights. Got the steak still going. Yo, this coming out looking good. Like our campground. Oh man. Yo. That's pretty good. And I've been eating all day. What I'm talking about. It's coffee. It's good. I wish we had marshmallow. That's what I forgot. It's not that cold, no?
With this jacket, no?
I don't feel cold.
With the jacket, you know more about that. It has this one and then that one on top of it. So.
All right, it's almost 8 o'clock. I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit until the fire goes down. But I cleaned up already. Got my gun right there. That's how I usually clean up, because I know I'm gonna use it tomorrow. So I just throw it in the back of the truck. Keep it that way. Have a little candle. It's actually a mosquito repellent, and shoes. I gotta improvise for this one. I used the iCamper little tie down to put right there with the Starlink, just in case it's windy, it flies off. I did order a magnetic holder, but it didn't come in time, so I'll have to be here just chilling. What a great night. Most relaxing camp ever. Feels good. Morning, everyone. Just got up. Last night was probably the coldest night we ever camped. It went under like 20. Look at this view though. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, it was pretty cold, but we were prepared. So I'm just out here. I'm about to get ready, start cooking breakfast. It's gonna be a simple breakfast. We're gonna have a longanisa, some eggs. Also, I'm cooking some garlic fried rice. This is the only thing I hate about overlanding or camping is washing dishes. Especially if it's like 20 or 30 degrees outside, my hands are freezing. Man, good to go. So we're heading out. So if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.